Hello and welcome to the third video in our series. In today's video, I'll show you how to clone a Git repository onto your local machine. Okay, so for our first step, we go to our repository, then click on this code button right here, which will then allow us to have access to this link. We then copy this link, then open our command line interface of choice. I'm on Windows, so I'll use command prompt. And then also make sure that you have Git enabled, and you can check by typing Git, and then you can see all the available commands. If you don't, you can then go to your web browser and type in Git download, which will take you to this page where you can then download the Git version for your specific machine. Okay, so let's go back to the command line. So here I want to clone my Git repository onto my desktop. So let me just navigate to my desktop, typing in cd desktop, and then from here I can then choose to clone my repo into here. So to do that, I just write git clone, and then I paste the URL that I copied. As you can see, the repo has been successfully cloned into a folder called MyCalculator. Therefore, I can go into that folder. Alright, and then from here, let's create a new branch. So to check the current available branches, you just write git branch -a. You can see main is the one available, but then if you want to add a new branch, just write git branch and the name of our branch. So let's name ours develop. And as you can see, to list them again, develop appears. So if you want to go to develop, you just write git switch develop, and then there you go. As you can see now, when you list the branches, you can see I'm currently in the develop branch. Alright, so the whole reason for GitHub is to do version control. So from here, we would like to edit our README file. So I have another script. Let me just open the README from here. As you can see, the README file just has hashtag calculate calculator, and then from here you just README. Let me just copy over all of my changes from my README, paste that there, make sure that it's all fine and good, then save my changes. Upon saving my changes, I can then add the README file. So let me just type in dir to make sure that I get the proper spelling of the README file. Okay. To add the file to be tracked by GitHub, you just simply type in git add and then the name of the file. So readme.md. And now the file is being tracked by GitHub. Alright. After that, to commit our initial change, we just write git commit -m for message, and then you write in your comment. Here I write updated readme. Alright, and then after that, I just press enter to commit my changes. And then if I'm satisfied with these changes, or satisfied with the number of commits I have, I can then push this to the origin, which is the main GitHub repository. So to do that, you just type git push -u -origin, and then the name of the branch. As you can see, a new opportunity to put a pull request has opened up on the main GitHub page, where I can then merge these changes to the main. There we go. After merging with main, we then see our changes being reflected on the main GitHub README.